This is second part of a set of 3 videos where I tell you how to format tables in Microsoft Word. In this part, I will be showing how to put borders around cells of a table as well as around the table itself. I have used the Word software included in Microsoft 365, but the instructions apply by and large to earlier versions of Word too. When you create a table, it already has borders around its cells. You can change the style, thickness, and color of borders, and Word provides tools for doing that. You can modify the borders in a table using 3 methods. I will explain these methods by changing the borders in this table so that they look like borders in the table above. So here we go. Method 1. Click in the table, Table Design tab. You will find a borders group over here which provides all the tools for modifying borders in a table. This tool is the line style tool. You can choose a single line style or dotted line, double line, triple line, and there are many more styles to choose from. This is the line weight tool, and you can change the thickness of borders using this tool. The default thickness is 0.5 point, but you can go up to 6 points. Then you have the pen color tool, and you can change the color of borders with the help of this tool. This drop down palette has all the colors, and you can make a choice as per your need. So we will first change the outer borders of the lower table. So from the line style, we will choose triple line and 3/4 point, and we'll choose blue color. When you do that, the cursor changes into a paintbrush shape. Bring this paintbrush on the top border, click, and then drag to the other end and leave. Again, similarly for the bottom border, click and leave at the other end. Similarly for the vertical borders. So the outer borders are done. For the bottom border of the top row and the right border of the first column, let us choose single line style, 1.5 point thickness, and black color. We go to the one end of the bottom border of the first row and drag to the other end and leave. So this is done, and then we do the vertical border of the first column. So now you have borders in the bottom table which are exactly similar to the borders in the top table. Method 2. In this method, we will use the borders tool of table design toolbar. Click this tool and you will find the list of borders. The bottom border, top border, all borders, outside borders. So you can apply your choice of line style, line weight, and pen color to these borders by choosing from this drop-down list. Now let's go back to our lower table and select the table. We choose for the outer border triple line style, 3/4 point thickness, and blue color. Click borders and choose outside borders. As you place your cursor over your choice, you will see a preview of the change that will be made in the table. Click this and your outer border is done. Next, we do the bottom border of the first row. So select the row select single line style, 1.5 point thickness and black color. Then go to borders and choose bottom border. So the bottom border is done. To do the right border of the first column, select the cells in this column, and we are going to apply the same line style, thickness and color. So we are not going to make any change here. We go to the borders tool and select right border. So you can see that the borders in the bottom table are exactly similar to the borders in the top table now. Method 3. Select the table. In the table design toolbar, you will find this downward pointing arrow. Click it to bring up the borders and shading dialog box. In this dialog box, you will find the style, color and width tools for borders. This part represents the portion of table that you have selected. These are some shortcuts. The box tool applies the selections of style, color and width to the outer borders of a table. The all tool will apply them to all borders, and the grid tool will apply them only to the inside borders of a table. You use the custom tool to apply your selections of style, color and width to any border of your choice. Now we are doing the outer border first, so we select triple line style, blue color, 3x4 point thickness. We click the box tool to apply these selections to the outer border and click OK. For the bottom border of the first row, select the row. From the mini toolbar, you can click on Borders tool and you will find the Borders and Shading option here. Clicking this option will also bring up the Borders and Shading dialog box. Now this time we select single line style, black color, which is automatic, and 1.5 point thickness. We click on Custom tool because we want to apply these selections only to the bottom border of the row. So we click here and OK. Now you would notice that the properties of the right border of the first column are the same as those of the bottom border of the top row. To apply the same properties to the right border of first column, select the cells, border, borders and shading, and you will find that the selections you made for the bottom border of first row are still there, so we will use them as they are. We click Custom and then we click on the right border and OK. So now you can see that the borders in the bottom table are similar to those in the top table. You have learned 3 methods of modifying the default borders of a table. You can use any one of them according to your choice and convenience. Thanks for watching. Do like and share this video. If you would like to see how-to videos on any other feature of Microsoft Word, please mention in the comment section below. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you are informed of the next video when it is uploaded.